Come to visit a spot where I visited in the past, and these mounds are so big. We've actually found before, it was a little muddier when we were here, and we actually found prints, and they were so many feet apart, and there was more than one, and they were toes, and I have that somewhere buried in my YouTube somewhere. Yeah, this is a beautiful area, beautiful. The prints were right about, I want to say in this, right in here they were, right here, when we were here. I don't know if there's any, there's a lot of leaves, so might be hard.
And we really aren't too far from where I found.
Look at that, look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. And over on the other side, there's water.
And there's boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, there's three, they're huge. And anything could be living in there.
I can't believe I've never seen this.
I didn't think.
Insane. I can't believe it.
And here I am from the Ocala National Forest showing somebody who comes to the green swamp stuff that they don't even know is in their own backyard. How cool is that?
How tall do you think that is?
I don't know, man. That's tall. Oh, yeah. A lot of the arches, there was a couple good arches in here. I don't really see those anymore. And they were good. Maybe it's in a, that might be in a different area. Nice, huh? Look at those. Yeah, because, let me look around here. Oh, yeah. We couldn't come around here. Yeah, okay, good. You can get through over here. I'm taking Brooke to another area that she's probably never seen. And we have. Ooh, and I just should have brought my stick. Oh, hang on. Ooh, careful. Look at the paths and way. Look at the pathways. Look at this.
We're behind the mountain.
Yeah, we're behind this huge mound pile. I told you there was water on this side. We got a nice pointer over here. Yeah. Yeah, look at that trail. Oh, whoa, come here. Look straight through there, There's a big, huge X.
Look, I'm up on another mound.
I know. We went all the way around there. I want to get a picture of that X. Oh, see that X right straight through? Look. Come here, this way.
Oh, yeah. Yep. I see it.
Yep.
This is crazy.
Look at there's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really weird how they're so tall.
Yeah.
And you've never seen them.
And in a line.
And you pass them every time.
Never seen it. Nope. And I've come, like I said, I've come down there. I can't tell you how many times.
Crazy. Well, I want to go to my other area here in the green swamp. That's the only area I know. Where I've been in a few years ago. It's probably the only part of the green swamp that I've really checked out. Later on, we're going to go closer to camp, and I want to investigate something there. Look at the beautiful butterfly. You can't see it, but it's beautiful. It's a sign of life. See? It's flying. So here we go. We're going in.
Oh, yeah, we're little mama.
Looking around here. Very, very nice area. I'm going to walk in deeper. See what we see. That's pigs. Bunch of oinkers out here. All right. Just kind of looking in here. I saw a couple of tuning forks going different directions, and I wanted to look at that. Now over here, see, you got that one going up that way. That's twisted down. All of it's natural, but I still think it could have been manipulated a little bit. Like little signs like this is interesting to me. You have a tuning fork stuck right in the knee, right there. I mean, yes, absolutely, it can be natural. But will we ever know? Nope. Not unless we see it. But here's something pretty cool too. That is the coolest stump I've ever seen. It looks like it's holding this stick right here. Yep. Holding the stick, a branch or whatever, tree. But for the back, it looks like a creature sitting there. That's cute. Look at this. You got a balloon. It's been a while. It's been a while. Nice. What does it say? I wonder what it says.
I can't believe we found
I just can't believe it either. I really can't. That's good. That's a good sign, see?
Hello.
Hello? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me.
Hello.
Hello, baby, no less. Like, hello, baby. Here we are.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
Yeah, yeah.
I just saw the hello.
Hello, yeah. Wow, that was their sign to say welcome back. Yep, I'm telling you. What in the heck? I see a nice dark spot in there.
We were gifted that.
Yeah, we were definitely gifted that. I just wanted to check out an area that we have visited here. See if anything's different or changed or new. What is that? Is that just a palm frond way back there? It looks so weird. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a palm frond, I guess. It's a big one. It's a big one. Laying in a weird direction. But it's a palm frond. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is the area that I want to look at. Yeah, I think. Boy, there's a lot of pig around here. Around here is the structure, I think, that I wanted to see. Break right here. Oh, this is it. I'm so excited. It's still there. Yeah. Well, the one part is I just saw. Yeah. It used to have more to it, but see, that used to be on the bottom. It used to go across the bottom as well. Yeah, it's a little different now, but time went by, like a couple years.
Right.
And so yeah, we lost a phone here. Yeah, we found it. Yeah, so there was the bottom. It was going across, and probably that stuff over there. So it's not the same as it was, but
right.
It was pretty cool. And we walked this way. And we just head out. We stay perpendicular with the. What do we have over here? What's that? Oh, I gotta go look at that. Oh, something just flew in my face. Look. I think it was a grasshopper. I want to look at something over here real quick. Oh man.
What you got? Oh.
That is amazing.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
I'm gonna go look at it.
Might as well.
Yeah, we're here. I mean, we're here. This is, I'm telling you, we found some good stuff in here when we were in here. Couple,
We were just gifted a balloon.
and we were gifted a balloon. We just found a beautiful, left my thermal, so I can't even therm it, but that's all good. I will get a picture of it. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Wow. You want to sit on a log for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's so really cool. Yeah. I like that. Let's see what it looks like.
Look, it makes an A.
I know.
I want to take pictures of that.
Yeah. Get it. Let's see what it looks like from this section. Oh, that's wicked. That's wicked cool. That's pretty cool. Even if it's natural, I don't care. The way that fell is wild. And it made it look like you say, it looks like
An A.
an A, an X, a triangle, all in one.
Oh, yeah. Well, why?
Yeah.
It's like a double X, honestly.
Yeah. It was just,
Look how there's a pine cone sitting in there.
oh my God. Yeah, that's really odd. Now, come on. There's a pine cone sitting placed right in here. For that to, wait a minute. How? See if it's tight. See if it's tight or loose. Let's see. Let's start from there. Let's see if it's tight or loose. Oh, that thing is tight.
That was stuck in there.
Yeah, that was stuck in
You
there.
see what I mean?
Yeah.
This was
Yeah, that was.
in there. I had to pull it out.
Yeah. Wow. This is neat. I really do think it was constructed. I do. To make it look like an A, an X, a triangle, all in one. One-stop shop. Yeah, that's a nice tree. I don't know if everybody can see it, but there's a nice hole in there. Oh man, it'd be a cradle for anything. Wow. So we're gonna walk out now, and we're going to another area. Then we're gonna go eat lunch. Oh God, I am. Okay. Little possible pin down arch, which I call a bow, only because of the way it's shaped like that. And it is pinned down. A lot of hog in this area. My goodness, not used to that in my area. Yeah, that is kind of pinned down. This is all like natural, I get it, but you have some arches over there. You have another arch way over there. Yes, we have, Matt. This is a good area right here. Yeah, there's some good signs in here. You need to get back in here. There's some good signs in here. On one day when you and Marion are around, you need to come back here and go in there. Because I see all kinds of stuff in there. Wow. Yeah, you got to get, when you come back. So you got this arch here, and it's pinned down right there by this one. It's pinned down underneath it. Like this, see? You're listening, see? I'm listening and telling you what I see. Look at this, look at how this is pinned down in here though, look. This is literally pinned down in between coming here and going over there. That is pinned down. Like I said, this part is natural, but this is a bend coming through, pinned down. And look, Dennis. And look, you got two arches over this way. You got an arch right here, see it? Over there, and then you got one behind it. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Then I saw some kind of structure in there. So you just,
like mounds.
yeah, and then there's some kind of structure in there, but you have to get in here. I wonder what's it, ooh, look at there. There's a little,
Oh, I see.
mm-hmm,
Between them?
mm-hmm.
With a little arch.
Yep, yeah.
Oh, I want to take a picture of those flowers. Look at those flowers.
Oh yeah, get them.
Look at that.
And so we made it here to this house. There was a murder here in 1918, and the murder, they were killed by an axe in this house right here. And this was a house. This is what's left of the house. And it's just totally amazing. They were killed with an axe, and actually, they're buried here too. So we're gonna walk over to there and show you. So this was their homestead.
Is this the cemetery?
That's unbelievable. It is kind of good though they got to be buried here and stay here where they lived. So they must be happy about that. I'm gonna go over there in a minute. Yeah, so it's a Stewart homestead, Mr. and Mrs. Stewart. 1860 to May 9th, 1918.
Wow.
1845 to May 9th. Murdered together in their home by Sally's grandson Joshua and a friend John.
Oh my God. How sad.
And this tree is stunning. I mean,
That tree's beautiful.
this is stunning.
Beautiful.
It's just stunning.
Do you want to talk to us?
It's not windy, dead silent, and something.
Undecided if they want to talk to us.
Well, cattle dipping. Cattle dipping, fat or tick fever health hazard. Built in 1929.
But look at the writing.
What on
We don't know what it
earth?
means.
What on earth? Whoa, where's the writing?
Look.
Oh, 1929.
We're trying to see what the top says.
It says 12. Some Anna. That says something, but that says 12. Hold on. That says
May 12th. 1929.
May or March, one or the other. 12th, 1929. OL something.
And then over here.
And something there. Sometimes it's easier. I wish we had water to get that.
I know.
Oh, I do. Hold on.
Let's see if you can make it out. It does. Olive's making babies.
Olivia, Oliveria or something.
Yeah, look at it from the side. Oliver? Is it?
Okay.
What's this over? We need some more water over here. See the H?
1929.
Unbelievable.
Whatever that says. Something.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, that's the last name.
Olive.
Or OLIV.
Oh my God! You can really see it.
Yeah, you can now.
Kathy, great job.
Yeah. I wonder what it means, though.
Oh, you can really start to see it.
Oh,
now.
yeah.
It almost.
But what is it?
OL. I don't know. I don't know what this is. What is this? I've never seen such a thing. Oh, was it something you walked through back in the day?
I don't know. Cattle something? Cattle?
Oh, maybe it was a cattle
Did they
thing.
put the cattle in? I don't know.
Give them a bath.
I'm gonna take a picture of this though. That's pretty neat. This is wild, huh?
Because if I remember it's correct, the cows can't walk downstairs.
Why is she here? Why is who here? We have the. What is it? Really? Ooh. Homestead. I'm just looking around. Look at this path. This is a well-defined path. I see something. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go see what it is. Look at this. Oh, pink bobber. I think it's a bobber. Looks like one. Yep. Pretty cool. Bobber. I just want to get in the burn a little bit and see if I can find any kind of bones. So I'm looking around. This has been burned, you know, controlled. But I was looking, see anything interesting. Feathers, bones, maybe? Anything neat, anything cool. Just decided to take a walk back here.
That's pretty cool.
By camp. Pam came for the day, so that was cool.
Oh, I got a picture on top of one of these berms they're going to sit. I got a really cool picture of the tree on it. The tree is, I got Brian next to it.
Wow.
Looks like it might have been 4 or 5 trees that had joined
Oh.
together. It's really cool looking.
Okay, we're by the spiritual tree here.
Can I go by there and look underneath it?
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah. Go for it. I'll pull you out. Here, tie a rope to you.
What is this now?
This is where,
This is what you guys were talking about with the
yeah.
lady. Okay.
Yeah, we were on the road a little bit further on. We came in the field a little bit, looking at this area, and he was getting pictures of her and getting words from her.
Oh my God.
He said it was like one word, it's like friend or hello, or, you know,
We're gonna,
hit the ground and go back up.
oh yeah? Oh yeah.
Yeah, go in. It looks like people go in that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Did you see those 2 branches?
Oh my God, look at that.
Huh?
Holy, that looks like a den right straight in front of you.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a den.
I love these branches that come down.
Oh yeah, that's,
Actually, when
ooh.
it goes gone, so many leaves, it's almost going underground and coming back up.
You can't tell me that's not a den. I don't believe it.
Oh, look at this thing.
What
Look how
is
these
this?
How they cross each other and come down like a keyhole.
What on earth is this? Cows? Cows come here, right?
Horses do.
That's some kind of cow poop.
Cows could get loose and
Yeah, that looks like cow poop to me. More than horse poop.
that does look like cow food.
That is nice. That is so nice.
Look up.
Oh my God. Look at this tree. Golly, I want to go here too. Man.
Pictures
That,
don't do it justice. You know what I mean?
yeah, you gotta be here, but look at that. Mhm.
It's really spiking.
Are you buy any equipment?
No, look. Look.
Oh, there's spike? Oh, it is.
Where the
Look.
Yeah, that was a little hit.
FY volume is on this thing.
Yeah, I think we're going to be in the dark. Did we get it?
It's up. I can hear somebody.
River Squad coming in.
River squat.
River squat.
Hold on.
Oh, you guys, I can't. I'll have to show you my hat in the morning.
Hold on, here.
You'll love my hat in the morning.
Here.
Hold on, Miss Brooke. She's so crazy.
Kim Possible checking in.
Breaker.
Yep.
All right, we're heading to the river here. Going to do a nighttime investigation.
Use red light as much as possible to keep
Oh.
our night vision. But the infrared's fine.
Oh yeah, I'm not having no.
I'm saying when we put our headlamps on, let's use red.
Tango, baby.
Me, Kathy, and Brooke are going to go out to the river. Okay, so we're going to break off and up here.
We're going to the river, and the bees are trying to trip me.
Am I holding it straighter?
Oh, you are kicking it now. Yes, much better. But that new place, we got to go back. We're going back, okay? Loop trail that I found. We're going there. We're all going there.
Yeah. I can't wait.
I'm gonna spend the night there. I'm gonna stay there. I want to wait for my vocals to come in. They're coming in June.
Oh, okay.
That's when they come. For some reason, I don't know why. I just don't know why. But that's when they do it. And I'm telling you, they are all around us. Something is all around us. Something I've never heard. All vibrational.
Yeah.
So we're the two guys saw the 8-foot squat.
Oh, really?
Over here. We're going to make a left.
Oh my God. Right here? That's where I seen it?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty close.
Okay.
Kathy has the meter, so it'd be a good idea to try that.
I got a meter, it's on, and I got the IR, whatever you call this thing, Phasm, like a little GoPro. Because it will pick up stuff if we can't see it.
I don't usually get them to come up to me on purpose, but
Oh, good. We need you. Get over here in our group. We need a sensitive. We're taking them. Oh, right here, right here, right there, right here, right here.
Point it over that way.
This way, this way. Point over this way. Right here, this way.
You see that big oak tree to your right?
Yeah, that's the one, huh?
That's the hanging tree.
That's the hanging tree.
okay, now if you look, that's the tree right there.
Okay, what is it?
That's the hanging tree.
Who hung there?
Nobody.
Well, yeah.
That's well, there's stories of it.
Oh.
Back for Indians and stuff that were hung over.
Oh,
Her
wow.
ashes were dropped right away.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
Do you feel it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
She's here. But
So, we're feeling a spirit. Human spirit.
Hey, Carolyn, we're here to say hi to you tonight.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for letting me come to your area. Are we going here? Where are we going? What are we doing? Okay, is it clear? Do I need a stick?
You know, if it happens over and over again or something, then you start putting it in
Oh, wow.
the door.
Yeah, see this little clear spot right here? This is where she.
Okay. I'm talking about just because of the story, you know what I mean? Yeah.
There was stuff that absolutely. Hey.
Back off, Carolyn. Thank you. We're just here to say hi.
Oh, God. Oh. I just feel like
Yeah,
crying.
she's saying hi. She's saying hi to you.
To me?
Yep.
Hi, Carolyn. We miss you, girl.
Oop, there goes the
Troy,
meter.
she wants you to turn around. She doesn't know who you are.
This is Troy.
Where is she?
She's at the tree, but she doesn't know who you are.
Hey, Caroline, this is Troy.
Me?
Yeah, come forward.
Yeah. How do you see her?
She just wants to meet everybody.
Oh, gosh. Hang on. Whoa. I just got hit. Hang on.
Yeah. She doesn't. You need to introduce yourself. She doesn't know who you are.
Thank you for coming out and talking with us.
We're all just here to say hi, Carolyn. We're not here to hurt you.
Is there something
You're fine.
you would like us to know? You want to tell us something?
Carolyn, you don't have to leave. Come back, please. Come here. She's going. She's leaving.
She's leaving.
Yeah. She's going. Carolyn,
Carolyn, come back.
we're not here to hurt you. We just want to say hi.
You want to
She's
go
gone.
squatch it with us?
She's gone.
We should have invited her along.
Yeah, she's completely gone. I don't even feel it anymore.
You got some action on her.
Nope, she's gone. She just wanted to know who everybody was.
She surely came around me because she got me crying. Ugh.
Yeah, she.
That's when I know something's around. It's just I get emotional like that. I don't know why.
Well, right here where it's clear. This is where she was laid down. Was right here. It's right here in this sandy spot right here. That's where she was laid down at.
And that thing just came up just above halfway.
Well,
Oh, there you are. She's back.
everybody has different.
Woo! Turn it down. Turn it down. Wow.
I should have brought.
Woo! Yeah, she
brought
just.
my dowsing rods.
Boom!
Hey, Carolyn.
Do you have them with you?
My backpack.
May I use them?
But my backpack's at the car.
Oh, okay. I didn't.
She wants to know what your blue light
You
is.
know what? I think.
So my blue light. This is a IR camera, and it's my first time using it. So this is infrared. So maybe we'll pick up on a Sasquatch or anything else that might show up in the camera.
She wants to know if you can see her. She's looking right at you from the tree right now.
No, but I can feel you.
We got up to 360.
She's standing right there at that
I
tree.
feel it.
She's right there.
Carolyn, can you come closer?
I feel you. Got me goosebumps from head to toe, and my eyes are watering.
She's right here. She's
So I feel you.
standing right here.
You must have been a fun person.
Here, let me
let you know, Charles and the boys are doing all right.
Is it better without the light on?
They all miss you.
She said thank you.
You know, this is your favorite spot.
She's crying. You don't have to leave, Carolyn. We're not here to hurt you.
No.
You can stay here.
We'll be back.
She's going back. She's going to the tree. She's done.
Hello. Out here in the green swamp, looking for monsters.
It's quiet tonight.
Ain't no rest for the wicked.
Hey, buddy. Oh my God, this is good. Come on, do something, please. He's smiling. What's he smiling? God, look at that smell again. Sweet smell.
How long the time I couldn't get it now.
I'm seeing here.
I can raise it a little bit higher over some of this stuff.
Whoa. I don't see nothing in front of the camera. You have to check this out. Oh, whoa. That was a nice orb. I mean, it was nice. It was the brightest orb I ever seen.
Distress call, 5 minutes.
How long the time I couldn't get it now.
I'm seeing here. Man, that was an amber one. That was nice. There goes that white one again.
Message came and failed to send. But you got a message from her, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Troy must have given it to her because my contact thing didn't go through.